Do you hate the thought of polishing silverware? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share an easy way to do the job without any elbow grease right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. Traditionally, polishing silverware is a time-consuming, dirty, and smelly chore that involves rubbing and buffing with strong-smelling cleaners. Silver tarnishes because of a chemical reaction with sulfur in the air, so reversing that reaction is the key to easy tarnish removal. Try this. Line a pan or baking dish with aluminum foil and fill it with boiling hot water. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt to the water and drop in the tarnished silverware. Be sure the silverware is completely covered and in contact with the aluminum. This creates an electrical current that will reverse the reaction that created the tarnish. Within a few minutes, you can remove the gleaming silver, rinse, and dry it. Now store it on top of a sheet of aluminum foil to deter future tarnish. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.